Greetings. Well, it's been an interesting week for research into crypto derivative markets. So this week I looked into prediction markets. And so there's bad news and good news. The bad news is that there are no actual ARBs where people give a price and a time and a date, and you can get a different price and go long short against derivative markets or things like that. However, I do think there's some areas where people wildly wildly overestimate the possibility of something happening, or are completely at odds with professional markets. So I can't say too much about it because I started to order some trades for our fund already. But if you want to talk to me on a one-off basis or you're already in the fund, call anytime. Anyway, fun week in crypto derivative trading.
In the world of prediction markets, everyone's a genius until the math catches up. We're seeing a massive decoupling between retail vibes and institutional reality. At Nicholas Levenstein Company, we don't bet on the news, we trade the gap between the hype and the hedge. Here's the glitch. Retail platforms are twitchy. They settle on localized exchange panic. But the big boys, they use TWAP, time-weighted average price. It's the adult in the room that smooths out the retail tantrums. While prediction markets are screaming at every tick, institutional exchanges are sipping tea and waiting for the real data. We exploit that lag. We run a brutal delta audit. If a black swan event has a 1% chance in the professional options pits, but a 15% price tag on a prediction site, someone is overpaying for a lottery ticket. We don't buy the ticket, we become the house. We use Black-Scholes logic to price the impossible and capture the premium from people who think they're betting on a movie plot instead of a probability curve. Then comes the no-loss tunnel. It sounds like a cheat code, but it's just pure architecture. We balance misaligned predictions across platforms to kill off directional risk. We lock in the sentiment spread, anchor it to institutional hedging, and throw away the keys. It's a defensive shield designed to provide a floor while the rest of the market is falling through the basement. Look, alpha this clean is rare. Platform friction and slippage are the enemies, so you have to be surgical. But when the world starts pricing improbable events as certainties, that's our dinner bell. Our ground truth is the math, the rest is just noise. Trade the divergence. We'll see you at settlement.